My name is Doug Bilderback and I am your presenter today. Our topic is AR credit and collections tips and tricks. Let's talk about a few of the add-ons. So, alert automation. There are a couple different ways that alerts can be created inside Sage. So we can leverage different things like that follow-up date on the comments, or create different queries and use something like Sage Alerts and Workflows. So that is a product branded by Sage where it runs queries that you build. They do have some predefined options in there to help you or use as a starting point, which can then run and send you, or it could be run so that it just automatically sends customers copies of their invoices over email, or copies of their statements automatically, or send you notifications. This customer is now 60 days overdue or 90 days overdue, or send you copies of reports that you generate, or lists, and send you information to trigger follow-on activities. If you don't want to use Sage Alerts and Workflows, some people use some of the Orchid products, such as Extender and Process Scheduler, to generate reports and send those automatically, or send alerts out internally. So an Extender script could be written so that look for accounts that are 60 days overdue, combine that with Process Scheduler to run that every night, and then you've got an email going to somebody inside the organization identifying the accounts that are becoming 60 days overdue. So a lot of that stuff has to be kind of put together, but there are things that we can do to leverage a couple different options. Also, you can use things like Extender to track credit limits and their changes. That's a very common add-on. Or they have some options where we can download and put it into place for you. For those of you who have the Extender module, that alongside the order entry screen, you will see the customer's aging and a list of the open documents that are available. So some of our customers really like that, because that gives them a little snapshot view when they're placing an order, to go, hey, dear customer, did you know you were 60 days overdue? We're going to have to put this on hold, but it's invoice 1234, and have that right at their fingertips as part of the order entry screen. I will thank you all for a great day. If you've got suggestions for future sessions, hey, send them in either to myself or into support at Equation Tech. My information is right here on the screen. Give me a call, shoot me an email, send something into support at Equation Tech. We'd be happy to take your input and create a webinar out of it. Wish you a lot of sunshine out there. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.